I'm Patrick Lynch from CFE Media and Technology, and we're here for another episode of Trends Talk. I'm joined by Ron Baysinger from Automation24. Welcome, Ron. Tell us a little bit about yourself and the company.
Thanks, Patrick. I'm Ron Baysinger, Vice President of Automation24 here in the U.S. Automation24 is a global online distributor of industrial automation solutions.
Great. Let's get started. Can you explain the fundamental role of timer relays in industrial processes, and how do they enhance the overall functionality and efficiency of these processes?
Yeah, one of the key benefits of timer relays is their ability to introduce time delays between different components or actions within a process. By incorporating timers into the control system, industrial processes can be synchronized and coordinated more effectively. For example, in manufacturing assembly, timer relays can be used in the sequence of operations to ensure that each step occurs at the right time in the correct order. The result is a smoother operation, improved productivity, and reduced errors. So when properly implemented, timers can be a very economical alternative to using a small PLC.
Great. And what are some essential tips industrial engineers should keep in mind when working with timer relays to ensure optimal operation and longevity?
Proper selection, avoiding overloads, and proper wiring. So let's take those one at a time.
Yeah.
Proper selection. You want to select a timer that is specifically designed for the intended application. You want to consider the factors such as voltage ratings, current capacity, temperature ranges, and environmental conditions to ensure the compatibility and reliability. You want to avoid overloading. So be very mindful of the current ratings of the timer relays and avoid overloading them. So excessive current can lead to overheating, premature failure, or erratic operation. And then lastly, proper wiring and connections. You want to ensure correct wiring and connections following manufacturer's guidelines and industry standards. Loose or incorrect connections can lead to unreliable operation, intermittent faults, even damage to the relay. We recommend using ferrules for a clean and secure electrical connection.
Great. What advice do you have in selecting the correct timer relay for industrial applications?
Sure. Well, like with any project, it starts with your requirements.
Yep.
Then you want to identify the appropriate contact configuration of your load. You want to check if the timer relay has adjustable timing options. You want to ensure compatibility with your control system and devices. You want to consider environmental conditions and application needs. Choose a reliable and durable timer. You want to evaluate support and service, and of course compare cost and overall value.
Great. And lastly, how can industrial engineers troubleshoot common issues with timer relays? And could you provide some examples and possible solutions for this?
We get more questions about this than nearly any other timer relay question. Specifically related to this Selic 600XU timer, it must be configured with the power off. If any adjustments that are made, or timing functions changed, it must be done with the power off. And then lastly, know when to reset the timer for the next cycle, either by external dry contact, removing coil power, or with a momentary trigger circuit.